had a lot of mentors coming up through this, and they kept hammering on me that, you need to change your focus. You need to readjust, shift your focus to where it needs to be. And I think when there was the legal case on the Honda Fit, and I saw not only what happened to the occupants of the vehicle that was fixed incorrectly, but then also what happened to the shop that provided those repairs, and rightfully so. But I didn't want to put my customers in a position of ever having to deal with that, let alone my business as well.
Right. For me, I referenced a minute ago about being in a 20 group, right? And being with some strong players in that 20 group. So for me, that there was a term, and Michael, I'm sure they recall the term. I won't go into what the term meant, but there was a term called bohica. Do you remember that term? Yep. So you focus in on the smaller things and gradually build up, right? So that's the way that I would always go through. I wouldn't go after 10 huge things. Yeah. I'd go after 3 small things and then keep advancing. But it's ever evolving, right? And then when I became a part of the society, it changed a little bit, but to the better, to focus again on your team, on your processes, and truly to your point, Justin, who the customer is, right? I mean, that really was the genesis of it, because I was a part of 3M Arms. I know you were as well, and we were both part of 20 groups. So being around those people really helped me to help me understand that I don't have to go back and I've got 50 things that I want to do as soon as I come back from that meeting, and then I can't go do 50 things. Yeah. But you always think you can, because a lot of us feel at times, or at least we did feel, that we had a big S on in our chest, right? Yeah. So that was a genesis for me.
It's kind of interesting because I grew up in this family business where I don't ever remember that point, right? It just grew up with it. It was pounded in you on a daily basis. And then our 53-year family business was acquired in '99 and by Sterling Auto Body Centers, and then that business was acquired by a major insurer, where it became an assignment. It's just another assignment. How many assignments you could process, right? And so when we started our current business in late '04 and '05, it was a relearning. And it was really an education for all of our people on who that customer really is.
Going back to basics.
Going back to absolutely going back to the basics, and really just a cultural change back to the basics. And that was a bit of a long process. It didn't come easy. We had to really just take that away from our brains, that it's not an assignment. This is a customer that has real concerns. They've been through a traumatic event, and our job is to help them through it and make it, really a bad experience better. If you enjoyed this video, join SCRS. Like, share, and subscribe.